Abdullah bin Abi Qatada says, in the year of Hudaybiyah Accord, my father set off along with Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. His companions were wearing ihram while my father was not wearing the ihram. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam was apprised that the enemy was at Ghaiqa. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam whereupon set off. Hazrat Abu Qatada says, I was along with my companions and they were looking at me smiling. All of a sudden, I sighted an onager. I attacked it and stopped it, striking it with the spear. I then sought my companions' help, but they refused to help me. We consumed its flesh and then we feared lest we should leave Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam far behind. I therefore proceeded in search of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Sometimes I made the horse run at a gallop and sometimes I let it walk slow. On the way, at midnight, I came across a man from Banu Ghifar. I asked him, where did you meet Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam? He replied that he left Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam at Tahin, and he sallallahu alaihi wasallam will take a nap at Saqiya. I went there, met him and submitted. O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, your companions convey salutation and Allah's blessings to you. They fear lest you should go far away from them, so please wait for them. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam waited for them. I then submitted. O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, I have hunted an onager and I have some extra flesh of it. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said to the people, eat, though they all were muhrim. Sahih Muslim Hadith number 2846.